Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nessa, and today I'm going to be doing this look for y'all using the Jackie AINA Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. So y'all, if you want to see how I achieved this look from Jackie palette, y'all, let's keep on watching. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, 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 and go ahead and subscribe to your girl. Okay, all right guys, so we're gonna jump right into this video, and as usual I always start off with my brows. Yes, all right, so I'm just using the NYX brow pencil. The video started and I'm already talking crap, but it's the NYX brow pencil, and it's a 2-in-1, and this is in the shade Expresso. So as you can see, I am just filling in my brows, and then I'm going to blend it out using the spoolie end of that brush. All right guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up that brow, because y'all, we ain't going nowhere with our brows not defined. Okay, all right. I'm just being extra. All right guys, so I'm just taking Morphe C415, I believe, concealer, and I'm just placing that under my brow. This is just to do like a little highlight kinda, and then on top, it's a little bit closer to my skin tone, I'm taking the Tarte tape shape concealer, and this is in deep, and voila, I'm just doing my thing. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and I add, oh my god, some facial oil from Elf Cosmetics to my face. Okay, because the foundation that we're going to be using, it's a little matte, and right now it's hella cold and my skin be dry and ashy, so I'm just trying to add some moisture. Okay, all right guys, so while that sits on my face, I'm going to go ahead and put on some concealer on my eyelid, and this is to serve as a base for my eyeshadow, you know what I mean? And then of course, time to use the biggest, baddest palette manure, you know. All right guys, so first we're gonna blend out pinker in my transition area, or should I say in the crease of my eye, and I'm just going to blend that back and forth. As you can see, I was using a fluffy blending brush to do this, y'all, so I'm just taking my time and I'm just blending that foundation, what am I talking about, that eyeshadow back and forth. Now we're going to go in with the second shade, and we are applying that to the eyelid, y'all. This is big wig, okay, and we're placing that on the lid, and as you can see, I'm using patting motion, and this is just so that I get more out of the eyeshadow, so I'm trying to make it really bright and popping. All right guys, so next, I guess we're still patting. All right, I guess I gotta wait a little bit. All right, next step, we're going to go back in the crease, and we're going to blend those two eyeshadow out so that we have a nice and diffuse shadow. And then I'm going to add some more big wig to the lid, just because I kind of lost some of the shadow before. Now I'm going to take my little pinky finger, and I'm going to apply dollars on my eyelid, and only the center of my eyelid, guys. So this is like a halo look today, so it's quick and simple and easy, nothing too extra, even though it does look a little extra, but it was just 3 eyeshadows, guys. That's 3 eyeshadows. So yeah, going back in the crease and just blending back and forth so that everything comes out nice and smooth. Now for liner, I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro eyeliner, pen liner I should say, and I'm going to create a little wing. Y'all, if you have hooded eyes like me, you know the struggle, but you just gotta do what you gotta do. All right guys, so if you want to see me do a video on how to create a wing line for hooded eyes, please comment in the comment section down below, and I will deliver for you guys, so just let me know. All right guys, so sometimes a wing line doesn't come out neat and nice, but you can always fix it. I mean, no big deal. So what I did there was I took some concealer. I think you've seen me done this in other videos before, where I clean up under my wing line to sharpen it up. I use concealer to do this, so y'all just don't stress it. You're good same way, even if you mess up. All right, guys, so next step, eyelashes. I'm gonna pop on these lashes, and I don't remember what the name of these lashes are called. I got them from my hair company, and I don't remember what style it was. So yes, y'all, sir, we're popping on some lashes. And yeah, moving on to the face, giving the eye a break. All right, guys, so for primer, I'm going to take the Coverfx blurring primer, and I'm just adding that around my mouth area. That's because I tend to crease there a little bit when I smile, because y'all know I got a big ass smile from ear to ear, and then also around my nose. Next, I'm taking my Juvia's Place foundation, and this is in this is called Zaria. I'll have all the information of the products that I'm using in the description box down below, so you can go ahead and see what I'm using to achieve this look if you want to go get some of these products. All right, guys, so I'm just blending that out all over my face, and you want to make sure that you get under your chin, under those jaw lines, around that forehead. You want to make sure that everything is blended nice and smooth. All right, guys, I am talking a little bit fast right now, but that's just how it is, okay? I'm a fast talker. All right, guys, next I'm gonna go ahead and highlight, and I'm using it's the same concealer that I started off with my brow, and it's the Morphe C415 concealer, and I'm just placing that under my eye, forehead, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and chin, y'all. Then I took a damp beauty sponge. I keep saying sponge, but you know what? It's a new thing. Let's just say sponge. Sponge it is. All right, so I'm going to take my damp beauty sponge, and I'm just going to blend that under my eyes. And yeah. So y'all want to make sure that you blend your concealers properly. So that's what I'm doing right there. Just blending my life away, because that's what it takes to have a flawless foundation or a flawless overall makeup look, guys. So make sure that you blend. Okay? Okay. Alright, guys, so while my hair was there being a nuisance, let me tell you something, okay? This hair that I'm wearing, it's one of the wigs that I make from my wig line, Face and Lace by Nessa. Sure, I do custom wigs and all that good stuff. Yeah, I have a video of how I install this wig, so you can go ahead and check that video out if you're interested. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and smooth out the concealer and the foundation together, just so that it's not harsh and everything is diffused properly. We're gonna go ahead and set, guys. So we're gonna set under the eye with my Pretty Vulgar translucent powder. I got this in my BoxyCharm boxes, guys. Don't remember what month it was, but this is a product from my monthly subscription. So with the same damp beauty sponge, that's what I'm using to apply my powder. All right, guys, so we are not going to the bakery today. We're not going to bake. I'm just going to just dust this on, dust it off. So under my eyes tend to get a little ashy, so I'm not trying to bake. All right, guys, so no, we ain't going to the bakery. All right, that's that. All right, guys. Oh my god, here we go again. Na, 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 na. And if I did not say it before, we're just applying the powder on the areas that we highlighted. Okay, guys? All right, so time to get rid of all that flour. Okay, now we're going to use my MAC Studio Fix NW45. This is my favorite powder of all time, and I'm just using that to set the rest of my foundation. I'm going to go ahead and contour my hollow of my cheek, and I'm using the Black Radiance contour palette, and this is the dark to deep or deep to dark, one of the two. Okay, and you're just chiseling up that cheekbone, going around the forehead, and yeah, under the jawline, you know the work. And then we're going to contour the nose, because that's what we do. Okay, and as you can see, I did go a little heavy-handed, but don't worry about it. It's makeup, it's adjustable, we can fix it. So I'm just gonna go with the blended brush, my fluffy powder brush I should say, and I'm just going to go over my nose and try to smooth out all that powder that I was too extra with. And then we're gonna apply some blush, try to add some color to the cheek, y'all. I am a blush girl, so no matter what, I'm gonna always throw on some blush, okay? All right, so that's from Alamar Cosmetics, and I'm just mixing those two shades together, and voila, there you go. Now it's time to set the face. I feel like my makeup melts into my skin when I set it with a setting spray. All right, guys, and this setting spray is from Morphe, and of course we're gonna let it dry. So I'm gonna take out my little fan, and I'm just going to chill for a little bit. Okay. Next, we're going to take blush in Bali, and this is from ABH Cosmetics, and I'm using those two highlight shade, and that's for my highlight today. So yes, 2019, I'm still gonna highlight no matter what. Okay, and the year is almost done. It's gonna be 2020, and I'm still gonna be highlighting, even my nose. Okay. All right, guys, so back to the eyes. We are going to use a black liner. You can use any liner, and this eyeliner is from Wet n Wild. It was only $1, so you can get cheap makeup that actually works if you know how to use it. So my dollar pencil was working for me. Okay, and now I'm going to go back into Big Wig, and I'm going to blend that on top of the liner, and just so that I have a nice smoky purpley kind of look. So I'm just blending that on the bottom lash line. Okay, now we're going to go into dollars, and we're going to place that on the inner tear duct area. This is to open up my eyes some more, because I like to highlight my inner tear duct area, guys. So yes, now we're gonna move on to some mascara. Guys, I use mascara on my bottom lashes all the time. It's a trend that is never gonna change, just because I like the way how it looks. It makes my lashes look more fuller, and it makes my eye makeup come alive. So moving on to the last step of this tutorial, I'm going to line my lips with my LA Colors lip pencil. It does not have a name. I bought it at a Walgreens. They don't have names on them, but that's the lip liner that I'm using. And then after I'm done lining my lips, I'm going to go ahead and fill it in a little bit. And then I'm just going to apply some lip gloss. And this lip gloss is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Don't remember what it's called, but like I said, I'll have everything in the description box. You can go ahead and check it out. And this actually completes the makeup look for today. So if you like this video, give it a thumb up. And again, don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate my subscribers. Y'all, thank you so much. Thank you. I'll see y'all in my next video. So yeah, peace out. Okay?